Hello there, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I will teach you how to do a wireless printing using your Epson printer over a wireless network. The advantage of this method is that you don't need cables in order for you to use your printer. So the first thing that you need to do is to connect your printer to your local network. Choose this icon for the first step and just click OK. The interface of Epson L6170 is not touchscreen, so I need to use navigation buttons on the right side of the screen. So there are two options here, the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi Direct. The difference of these two is that Wi-Fi settings need a local network connection through a Wi-Fi router. This is ideal for environments where multiple devices need to access the printer. Wi-Fi Direct, on the other hand, enables your device to connect to the printer without the need for a wireless router. These settings is useful for quick and easy printing without the need for a local network. For this tutorial, I'll just choose the recommended settings, which is the Wi-Fi, and I will start the setup now. On the next screen, just choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Then the printer will start searching for wireless networks in range. Then choose your wireless network. Then enter your password. After successfully entering your password, click OK. Then start setup. Now your printer is connecting to your local network. If connecting to the network is successful, this confirmation will appear to your screen. Just click dismiss and proceed to the next step. I'll just say no to this Epson updates. Pop-ups are coming because our printer is already connected to a network connected to the internet. Just say no to these pop-ups and proceed to finishing the setup. Just choose done and choose dismiss, or you can also press the back key to return to the home screen. As you can see, the icon says that the printer is already connected to a router or a local network. Now that we already connected the printer to the router, the next thing that we will do is connect our computer to the printer. To do that, press the window key button or the start button and type add printer. Just click that. Since this is a new printer, you need to click the add device. Wait while our computer is searching for all available printers. So now that our printer showed up, the L6170 series, click add device. Just wait until the computer says the printer is ready for use. Now that it's ready, we will open Microsoft Word and try to print to the printer wirelessly. I'll open Microsoft Word here. And I'll just type some dummy texts. Then look for the printer. So there we are. That's our printer. Just choose it. A4 is the size of the common band loaded on the cassette, so I'll just choose A4 here, and then I'll click print. Without any cable connection to the printer, we successfully printed a test print. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated of the upcoming videos that I will be uploading. Thank you, and until next time.